So I got a rigid table saw, and I'm having an issue with the casters on it are starting to delaminate. And instead of going to rigid and trying to go through the hassle of getting new wheels, I just went online to Amazon and I got 4 of these casters right here. They're 3 inches by 1.25 inches wide. They got a 3/8 bolt on them. I think the stock bolt on here is probably like 1/4 by 20. And what I'm going to do is they're 3 inches by 1.25 inches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bolt out, and you can see right here I've already got one out. The bolt's a little bit wider, so I've got a bit here, and I've got it flagged to 3/8 of an inch, so when I drill the hole I don't over drill it on the caster on the bottom here. Now it's a 9/16 socket and a wrench to take these off. However, I got to switch to a 1/2 inch socket when I take the original wheels off, because that's what it is, and I'll show you how I'll do that. So once you have the table saw fully sitting on the ground, you can pretty much pick this up and do with it what you want. So I've got my 9/16 wrench that I'm put on here, and my 9/16 socket, or I'm sorry, 1/2 inch socket needed to take it off. And just like that, it comes off. This one isn't bad. I could probably save it. Now what I'm going to do is take my drill with my enlarging bit here, and I'm enlarge both sides. Take the new wheel with the new hardware, put it in place, switch over to my 9/16 socket to put it on. And tighten it up. And I'll do that to each wheel. These rated are 1,000 pounds. So once I get the rest of them on, I'll show you how it rolls. Okay, so I've got all 4 of them on the table saw, and I'm going to show you briefly how they all roll around. Nice and smooth. Hope you all enjoyed that quick little tip. Don't forget to subscribe and like to the channel. Thanks for watching.